Michaela. Michaela.
Don't get my butt in my back, quick! Let me see.
Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke. We still got love to give. Young, dumb, young, dumb, and
I don't think they're gonna do it. We're going too fast. Hey! You did it! I sprayed in his window. He did it! Oh my God!
Like, movies don't take that long. You sit down and watch them. That's what I do when I'm flying. Let me just compare it to a movie. It's 2 movies. 2 movies and like an episode of Walking Dead. I don't watch The Walking Dead. That's like an hour long. Yeah, movies are like an hour and a half. They are.
Hey, this movie's at like 3 hours long.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, like Harry Potter. I don't know what you're talking about. I want to go around.
Interstellar.
I love Cracker Barrel. Open that door. Oh, I got it. Sarah's vlogging. No, I'm video recording 2 different things. I'm just kidding.
Uncalled for.
Say, what is that? It's a shark pillow with a massing fleece throw. What is getting a jar of Red Hots? I just heard him. Dad. Robbie. Robbie. He looked straight up. He was like, Caitlin, I found your horse. Giddy up. Are you guys in line? Ooh, get it, girl. You got a horse. Where are you, Kristen?
No, actually, I'm at your room. I'm at your guys' room. All blue.
Like she said, never mind, that's turquoise. I'm disappointing. Okay, I'm emptying my